How to enable VPN in Opera GX. Start by launching your Opera GX browser on your computer. Look for and click on the one that looks like a gear icon. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your browser. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a menu with different sections. Click on Features. This is where you'll find additional functionalities that you can enable or disable. Scroll down the Features menu until you come across an option labeled VPN. This is what we're looking for. You'll see a toggle switch next to the VPN option. Simply click on it to turn on the VPN feature. Once enabled, the switch should be in the on position, indicating that the VPN is active. If you want to customize how the VPN works, you can do so by clicking on the VPN options. Here, you can choose whether you want the VPN to connect automatically when you start the browser and adjust other settings according to your preference. To ensure that the VPN is working properly, look at the top of your browser window. You should see a small VPN icon in the address bar. Click on it to verify that the VPN is active and to access additional settings if needed. And there you have it. Your Opera GX browser is now equipped with VPN protection. If you found this tutorial useful, remember to subscribe and like the video for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.